Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Jaya and I post videos related to lifestyle, fitness and some fun content in future maybe. Yes, we do some really fun challenges every month, but this month I was not just really keeping up well with my health. So this is the reason did not start anything and give any hopes to you all. But this time I have come up with a super exciting video. आपने title देख लिया होगा and as you can read by the title, it says that this is the easiest diet plan you'll ever follow, and this is the diet plan which is not according to the calories, to according to a specific person, or yes, different diets work according to different people. Everybody is different, but मेरे case में this was the diet plan which actually worked for me. And as you know, I have lost 20 kgs in my past, so yes, this was the diet plan which basically helped me reduce my weight. This was the secret diet plan which I'm going to share and spill all out to you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this diet plan is for next 30 days, as in 4 weeks, and you can follow it आगे भी, but for 4 weeks, this is the first 4 week which you can really follow. So we'll start. I'll give you 3 options. मतलब हर एक चीज के I'll give you 3 options each, and you can switch according to your travel, according to your needs, according to your moods, जैसे भी. It will be a very short video which will be really beneficial to you. Do let me know if it really helps you in the comment down below, and share it with your friends or family or whoever you think is gonna get help by this. So let's get started. Okay, so starting with the morning water, सबसे पहले 3 options आते हैं. First one is the honey and lemon water. You have to hydrate your body every morning with loads of water. मतलब जितना पानी आप पी सकते हो उतना पानी पीना है. But also the first glass which should go is honey water with lemon. You have to take a glass of warm water. You have to put a tablespoon of honey in it and squeeze a lemon. You have to drink it sip by sip, and also you can have some additional water only if you want. Secondly comes the जीरा water. जीरा में क्या करना है, आपको रात को 1 टेबलस्पून जीरा 1 ग्लास पानी में भिगो के रख देना है. अगले मॉर्निंग आपको वही सेम पानी को बॉईल करके टिल इट कम्स टू हाफ ग्लास, आधे ग्लास पानी तक करके आपको वो पानी पीना है अर्ली मॉर्निंग. And the third is the methi water, which really helps you from all the bloating and digestive issues. तो इसमें भी आपको सेम यही करना है, the same thing you did with jeera water. You have to soak 1 tablespoon of methi in 1 glass of water overnight, and अगले दिन मॉर्निंग में आपको वही सुबह आधे ग्लास करके वो पानी पीना है. And you can also repeat it. You don't have to do it rows every day, but for like a week you can alternate it each day by day. Like किसी दिन जीरा पानी पी लिया, किसी दिन मेथी पी लिया, किसी दिन नींबू पानी पी लिया. That too according to your routine. And second comes is our breakfast, which is very important. So all those people who are taking protein powder, I would suggest to take it early morning, like subha ek matlab in your breakfast itself. If you're a coffee person, you can have the like pani mein protein powder and coffee, और उसको करके you can drink that with okay, so we have 3 options in it. First is dalia. Yes, it is very protein rich and very easy to make. It is already made in very, हर एक household में बहुत easily मिल जाता है and बन भी जाता है. So the only thing you have to keep in mind is you have to add lots of veggies, and you have to take 1 katori of it as your breakfast. इसके साथ आप अपनी कॉफी चाय भी ले सकते हो. If you are not consuming protein powder, that's completely your choice, but without sugar. And the second option which I have for you is moong dal chila. Moong dal chila is very light for your body and also has lot of protein. So yes, this is the second option. Third option, which is you can make yourself paneer poha, which is like having your normal poha with lots of veggies and adding some pieces like 50 grams of paneer into it, which calls it a power poha. Like these are the 3 options, and you can similarly alternate between every meal, like every day. जो भी आपको जैसे खाना है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड्स एंड मूड्स, जो भी आपका मन कराओ. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द मॉर्निंग स्नैक, आई वुड रियली रिकमेंड अगर आप एक कोई भी नेचुरल फ्रूट लो रादर देन जूसेस और एनी अदर थिंग. इसमें मैं ज्यादा ऑप्शंस में यही बोलूंगी, इधर हैव कोकोनट वाटर और हैव अ फुल होल फूड, अ स्मॉल इन साइज लाइक अ छोटा बनाना और अ स्मॉल साइज एप्पल. बट अगर बेटर रहेगा अगर आप अपना सीधा लंच पे ही आओ. इट्स नॉट बेसिकली नेसेसरी अगर आपने अपना एक होलसम ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया है. एंड नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द लंच पार्ट में आई विल सजेस्ट सिंपल थिंग्स लाइक बहुत इजीली होममेड, विच इज यू हैव टू टेक 2 मल्टीग्रेन रोटीज. आप बस अपने घर पे मल्टीग्रेन आटा ले आओ एंड आस्क योर मॉम और whoever cooks for you कि आपके लिए वो ही आटे की रोटी बनाए. सो 2 मल्टीग्रेन रोटीज विद अ कप ऑफ दही एंड अनदर कप ऑफ लाइक अनदर कटोरी ऑफ क्यूकम्बर एंड कैरेट का सैलेड. एंड दिस एंड एक कटोरी जो भी सब्जी आपके घर पे बनी हो एक्सेप्ट पोटैटो. ट्राई हैविंग मतलब डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वेजीज विच आर ग्रीन एज इन जैसे भिंडी, घिया खा लो, तोरी खा लो, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव लेडी फिंगर, वही भिंडी कह लो. एंड या दिस इज करेला खा सकते हो इफ यू रियली लाइक इट. पालक खाओ बट ट्राई इंक्लूडिंग लॉट ऑफ ग्रीन वेजीज टू योर डाइट and this will make your proper lunch. Make sure you eat only as much as required, not as much as you want, because overeating is bad. Because overeating वैसे भी in general गलती होती है, but I would suggest कि आप सिर्फ 2 रोटीज पे stick करो. And even if you feel hungry, go for some more curd or some more sabzi, but not roti, because these are pure carbs and I would suggest not to eat them. But okay, so coming on to our evening snacks, I would highly recommend you to buy yourself one green tea. Organic India and Lipton is one which I used earlier back then days, and now also I'm using it. So ये दो options हैं which you can try for green tea. And उसके साथ में you can take one bowl of makhanas, roasted makhanas, or a handful of peanuts. Try not munching too much on it and just taking it as a snack. Yeah, so this was one of my options. And if you're really craving something sweet, so once in a day you can have a whole food like an apple with a like half spoon of peanut butter. It will really help you and help you carve down your sugar cravings. So coming on to the last part of our diet plan, which is the dinner. So dinners are something which is like you should go easy with your stomach and just eat it for the sake of your food, like having it and not starving yourself. ये 3 options है, which is first is you can have moong dal khichdi. Like ask your mom to make it very easy to cook also, and you have to have just one bowl, एक ही कटोरी खाना है, and you can have salad with it. Second is a vegetable soup. There are lot many recipes, healthy ones on YouTube, so you can go search them and make it for yourself. And third one which I went for was a paneer salad. Like I boiled all the veggies, made sweet corn. If you really want a recipe, I'll share it in my next video. But it's like boiling all the veggies, broccoli, cabbage, paneer and कैरेट, जो भी सब्जियां घर पे, टमाटर, प्याज, बॉईल उनको अच्छे से बॉईल कर लो. एंड देन यू नो जस्ट स्ट्रेन आउट द वाटर, एंड देन थोड़े से घी में यू हैव टू जस्ट and add मतलब roast कर लो, and you have to just add salt, pepper and sauces according to your taste. So yeah, this was it. And coming on to the last part, which is our night drink. अगर आपको ये सब खाने के बाद भी भूख लग रही है, then I would suggest you to have 1 cup of milk with थोड़ी सी पिंच हल्दी. उससे क्या होगा, बट विदाउट शुगर. सो कोई भी डाइट प्लान स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई वुड रियली रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप अपनी सारी जितनी भी क्रेविंग्स हैं वो खत्म करके आओ, सो दैट वेन एवर यू स्टार्ट अ फ्रेश. और सेकेंडली देर आर बिग no-nos in this diet, which is you don't have to eat outside food. That is strictly not allowed. चाहे वो कोई भी सैलेड हो, चाहे वो कोई भी सबवे हो या कुछ भी हो, you don't have to eat outside food. Try eating घर का खाना and all the options which I have told you. Secondly is to complete your steps or do a 1 hour activity in form of strength training कर लो, योगा कर लो, डांस कर लो, जुम्बा कर लो, या फिर जस्ट ऑनलाइन क्लास, जो भी एक्सरसाइजेस, एब एक्सरसाइजेस, कुछ भी, बट यू हैव टू कीप योर सेल्फ मूविंग. अगर आपसे कुछ भी नहीं होता, then go for a 1 hour long walk, but you have to complete your steps. Make it a point, you have to, like, according to your steps, आप अपना एक एवरेज रख लो, but I would prefer to go for 8 or 10,000 k steps. And third is to try including protein rich food to your diet. And fourth, which is not very important, but is to cut down on tea and coffee, because caffeine is not very good for health. And also sugar मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी कि एकदम से आप सब कुछ फीका खाना शुरू कर दो, but try having just a tablespoon of sugar is not good. But अगर आप फिर भी if you're someone जो पहली बार शुरू कर रहा है, then you can't just cut down sugar एकदम से. Then you can go for jaggery powders, maple syrup, alag options are, which I have mentioned in my shorts earlier also. So yeah, you can try them for yourself. And do let me know if you really like this video. Do share with all your friends and family or whosoever require it. And do let me know in your comment down below कि आप लोगों को next क्या चाहिए, because I'm really confused. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you.